Hello. So the updates for this week are very, very short. First of all, email management. So the labeling that we are currently doing is not the best, and that is what we learned from feedback from our users and from people who left Actor because labels were not applied correctly. So we took a turn into this direction and went back to how the labels work and made changes already to three things. One is the context given to AI in order to use the label. Second is the weights of the metadata that's used for AI, and third, related to original training data, which we found out is not the best. Our next plans are actually two. They are not easy, but we will do it. We are going to change the labels to use more actionable labels. So probably the first three we will get rid of and we will replace them with more actionable labels. They are somehow misleading from what we learn. So this is one thing, we are going to change the labels. Secondly, the current system that analyzes the email and applies a label will be replaced by a new system that we have the architecture for, and is going to be a stronger pipeline for an LLM. So this is related to email management. The other big thing that we are working on, and which is Microsoft accounts. Um, it's it's on its way. So we've worked a lot this week. The account connection works. Obviously, this is only working for internal use right now, but it's going to be there. So as I said, I think next week, I'm 99% sure next week we are going to have Microsoft integration, which I'm very happy to. But that also requires a very good email management solution. So first is to improve the management while also working on the Microsoft. We'll probably launch them in the same time because it makes the most sense for Actor. Other than that, we got a lot of feedback that we can't implement right now because of this, but is so valuable. And I really want to thank you, everyone who's spending time to send us an email, to use these buttons from here that you see everywhere, or the big yellow one. So please always always share feedback with us, book calls with me. I'm really happy to make this work. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice weekend.